Hey, Luke, it's Albert here with ClickFunnels Support. So the other agents you spoke with are offline, so I'm gonna go ahead and take care of you. Okay, so what they were suggesting is whatever page you're having an issue with, right? So I know here in your funnel that your SSL is, I can see in your, you have the S here, right, at the end of the HTTPS. That tells me the SSL is added. All right, and I already checked the background, so I know it's good to go. So here in your ClickFunnels account, you're all secure. So when whatever page is leaving or wherever you're bringing a customer outside of your funnel and it's not secure somewhere, the issue there, it looks like the suggestion from the other agents is to change your page path for that page. So whatever specific page you're having the security issue with, the unsecure issue with, you're going to do this, okay? This is what they're suggesting. They want you to change your page path. So here in the cogwheel here, for each step, all right, you don't want them identical, okay? So here, you can keep this, right? If you'd like here, you can keep that there and then update. As long as this is the only place in your entire account in any funnel that looks like this, okay, that has this exact page path, okay? You don't want this identical to any other place in your entire account, okay? All right, so if you're gonna change this, go ahead and update that and then update page, right? Now, here on the second cogwheel here, all right? Now you see the system automatically generates some alphanumeric characters here because it's trying to make this page path unique, right? Because it's basically identical to the other cogwheel, and that's what you don't want. You always want the two slightly different, okay? So this one always needs to be slightly different than the page path here, okay? All right? It just allows the system, it ensures that your funnel page is unique, specifically unique to this funnel and to your account. Okay? All right. Let me see here. Once you make those changes, I would suggest, I'm going to give you a link here for clearing your browsing data and your temporary files for your operating system. It's real basic. It's not going to hurt anything. It's just junk files. Okay? Your browsing data needs to be cleared and then junk files off your computer. That way that a contaminated link or the insecure link in the background will not be continually cached or processing. All right? Thanks.